Okay,
Yeah.
Can you tell me what happened?
Well, my very sensitive friend here was playing acoustic guitar, and this little critter flew into the window. Yeah, just Jose, being a little squeamish, you know how artists are, he called in the big guns. I came and rescued the situation.